Hey guys, it's Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. So yes, DIY Diwali Decoration Ideas video. I know you guys were waiting for this video. So since 5 years, I'm making a Diwali Decoration Ideas video and yes, this is my 5th year. I'm so excited. अगर आप लोग ने सारे पुराने videos नहीं देखे हैं तो please go and watch. I'll leave all the links in the description box. So this time it was a little difficult because मैंने कुछ भी materials buy नहीं किए market से. जो भी मेरे पास previous years के थे and supplies में था वही मैंने यूज किया है इस DIY वीडियो में. तो आई होप आप लोग को पसंद आए. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट विद दिस वीडियो गाइज, प्लीज मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. वी आर सो क्लोज टू 400k subscribers. Please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned till the end. There's a surprise for you guys. And yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. For this DIY, you will need any color paper in A4 size. Cut it out vertically. Now fold 1.5 centimeter on one side. Then apply glue over it. You can also use double-sided tape if you have. I got this one from Amazon. So yeah, I'm applying double-sided tape here. Fold the paper into half and stick both the ends together. Now cut 1 centimeter wide pieces of the paper tube. You don't have to be too precise with the width. Open the pieces until they look like leaves. Now arrange everything in a circle. I'm randomly putting all the pieces together. Then start gluing the leaves together. And done. I made this pot candle in my old Diwali video. Make sure to check that out. Gonna place them in the center. Decorate your center table and yeah, looks so pretty. Recycle any old cloth, dupatta or bedsheet. I'm using this blouse piece fabric that I already had at home and I'll be making a cushion cover out of this. So first I'll start by securing the edges. By folding 0.5 centimeter and then I'll start making the cushion cover. It's very easy and very quick. I have shared how to make a cushion cover many times in my DIY videos, but yeah, I thought of showing it to you guys again in case if you haven't seen. I'm using glue gun here because it just makes the whole process very easy and doesn't take much time to dry. You guys can also use fabric glue or you can stitch it if that is convenient. Now turn it inside out. And yeah, DIY cushion cover is ready. It's time to decorate. So I'm using some mirrors, stones, and I'll stick them on cushion cover using fabric glue. So I don't have latkans. Therefore I decided to make some tassels. Tassels are very quick. So here take a cardboard template and just wrap yarn around the cardboard piece. Stop when the tassel has the desired thickness and cut the end. Knot the top by wrapping yarn around the tassel few times. Tie a secure knot. Cut down the ends. Trim off the excess. Tassel is ready. Then using a needle and thread, I'll put it through the tassel, make few knots and then add some pearls. Sew it in the corner of the cushion cover. And of course, if you don't want to make this, you can go for ready-made latkans. So I did this on all the 4 sides. And that's it guys. Quick DIY cushion cover out of basic cloth piece is ready. It looks so beautiful, so festive, and I just totally love the way it turned out. For this DIY, you will need any color paper. So make 5 circles of any measurement, cut it out. Now follow the steps carefully. I'm just going to fold it and make it in the shape of a petal. So this is how you are going to fold. Glue them together. I thought of showing you guys again in a different color paper. So yeah, this is how you are folding. It is very simple. So make 5 such petals. Now glue each piece to each other, forming a flower. Let it dry. Add a stone or pom-pom in the center. Now comes leaves. For that you will need green color paper in square of any size. Cut it diagonally so that you will have 2 triangles. Now make accordion fold. Fold it into half like so and glue them. And yeah, your paper leaf is ready. Make 4 of these and stick all of them together. Let it dry and finally stick paper flower in the center. This is such an easy and affordable decoration idea that you guys can make at home. Make 5 to 6 such flowers and keep it around the center table. Looks so beautiful. For DIY toran, just take any cloth that you have at home. I'm using this old velvet cloth. Cut 3 semicircles of any measurement. Actually, the measurement totally depends on the size of your toran. Then you'll need some kundans, pearls, laces, rhinestone stickers, whatever you have for decoration. Using fabric glue, I'll randomly start sticking each stone one by one on the fabric. So I did not have like a particular design in my mind. I randomly just decorated this. So you can go for any design and you can be creative. Once you're done sticking everything, just let it dry. I'm reusing most of the items in this video, and instead of buying a latkan here, I'll make one out of bangle. Again, very simple design, just using a thread, tying some pom-poms and pearls to the bangle. Whenever you tie a knot, just make sure you apply some glue so that the knot is secured. Made 4 of these. Now take any color ribbon or lace. Cut it out as per the size of your door. I stapled the edges, which is totally optional. So I have decorated all the 3 cloth pieces. It's time to arrange them. I used a tape to make sure the latkans are in place. Now I'll take hot glue gun, glue everything to the ribbon one by one. And again, if you don't have hot glue gun, you can use fabric glue or stitch them if you want. Carefully, I'll stick everything and then let it dry for some time. Remove the tapes, cut out the extra thread, and finally I decided to add a lace. So I'll stick it over the ribbon. And that's it. I know it looks a lot of work, but it is very easy, guys. Plus, I couldn't buy matching materials, so considering that, I'm really happy with the result. Looks very pretty and has that festive vibes. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed all the ideas, and yeah, it was really fun making this Diwali decoration ideas video. Now, talking about the surprise thing, yes, I have a giveaway for you guys, and not just one. Stay tuned till Diwali because there are many giveaways coming up, so you guys can win something in every video. So in this video, 2 of you will win 1000 rupees coupon each of Amazon, and जो rules होंगे वो मैं screen पर mention कर दूंगी so that you guys can take screenshot, read it, because कभी-कभी थोड़ा confusion हो जाता है, तो I thought it's better I'll leave it on the screen. So yeah, these are all the rules, and yeah, you guys can also participate in all the other giveaways that are coming up on my channel. So stay tuned, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys very soon with another video. Make sure to turn on the bell icon ताकि आप कोई भी video miss ना करो, जो भी giveaways आ रहे हैं वो miss ना करो. And yeah, bye bye, keep inspiring.